Yo! Yo! Hi, what's up my beautiful people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today, I'm going to do a reaction to KATRINA VELARDE. I think I've heard her name before. I'm not sure where I've heard her name before, but I think her name was heard somewhere, but I'm not sure, right? So I came across this song, right? And this was done 6 years ago, and it's my first time giving my 2 cents on this song, right? So we're gonna react to Impersonation. Singer 3, open bracket, burn, close bracket, right? So I would love to know what she's capable of. As I said earlier, I do heard her name before. It's ringing a bell, but I'm not quite sure where I've heard this name before. So I'm going to react to that song. Question: do anyone here know Bob Marley? This man, yeah. So let me know in the comments where and when you became a fan of Bob Marley, and why his music inspired you so much for you to become a fan of a Jamaican man. So without further ado, let's take a walk into her world. KATRINA. Burning all stars. Impersonating. Oh, so adorable.
We don't have to worry about nothing, 'cause we got the fire and we're burning our little to something. They're gonna see us in outer space, light it up like we're the stars of the human race. When the lights turn down, they don't know what they heard. Strike a match, play it loud, giving love to the world. We'll be raising the heaven, shining up to the sky, 'cause we got the fire, and we got the fire. Oh, we gonna let it burn, burn, burn. Oh, we gonna let it burn, burn, burn. Oh, we gonna.
Holy fuck. Yo, look, I am shocked. I am shocked. I am shocked, bro. Yo, powerful voice. Yo, what? Yo, yes, the song. I've heard that song like years ago when I was in high school, bro. Damn. Yo, this is dope, my G. This is dope. Yo, this is very relaxing to listen to. Yo, that scream, yo, that note, hey, that whistle, hey. I never expected that, trust me. Yo, her vocals are normal, bro. Like, what? Yo, the whistle, bro. I think Gabriel Enrique was the king of whistling as male. But no, we found, hey, apart from that woman, right, who can sing with whistling style, she beats her, bro. Definitely. That whistling is not normal, bro. I never heard something like this before. Oh my god. Yo, yo, I'm surprised, bro. Like, I'm feeling surprised here. Britney Spears, Jessie J, and a lot more, right? Yo, but each name that she calls, bro, she changes the voice into those artists' vocals. Bro, that's not normal, bro. That's absolutely not normal. This is something that we don't see every day, bro. For you to switch into someone else's voice like that, without even trying or breaking a sweat, that's off the roof, man. That's off the roof. Especially for this female called Christina. Damn. Damn. Damn, bro. That was great. That was really great. Trust me, that was really good. So if you guys enjoyed this reaction, please leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn that post notification bell on to be notified for whatever time I release a video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.